hello, mega love shout out everyone. Ang init guys, galing ako nag-walking. Ayan, ninikot ko yan, no. Nasasara naman yung kanya. Ayan, ninikot ko doon. Hanggang doon. Hanggang doon. Ang layo. Inikot. Good evening guys. Happy blessed Friday night. Hindi ako makapagsalita kasi takbo-takbo ako, napagod ako guys. Shout out everyone, especially to those always supporting my silent life. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Asmar, Whispering Waves, adding din JM, adding Love Travel Music, Sisi ko nanahan ni YTC, Edgar Sky Official, Nikin Bads Vlogs, Elsa Yote, shout out, Aunt Onyo. Nako, pasensya ko na kayo kung hindi kayo i-shout out lahat kasi napagod ako guys. Ito, nagpapahinga lang doon ako guys. Tinakbo-takbo ko doon. Hanggang doon, galing ako doon guys. Papahinga lang. Shout out everyone guys. Si Kuya Lauren direct to shout out. Si Kuya Mayeski channel. Sakoniko, Mio Trip shout out, TY Best shout out. This is Dubai TY Best. Sorry if I cannot I can't mention all your names because I forget. I'm tired guys. I walk in, I run like this exercise. So, thank you everyone. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusupport sa aking Silent Live, Donye Vlog, Toldods Guarin, thank you. Sino po ba yun? Margaret Mittens Vlogs, nakita ko kagabi. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. This is Rose the Melod Vlog. This is Dubai guys. Dubai night. Thank you. Bye. Uwi na ako. God bless us all.